Hey guys, it's Skyler with Turtle AV, and today I want to show you our Dante to Line Out adapter. This is just one of the 6 adapters in this lineup. They're all TAA compliant and they all have a 3-year warranty, and they all have a 90% recycled hard plastic case. This adapter takes 2 Dante streams off of your network and converts it to 2 analog line outs over Euroblock. It also has physical gain adjustment for both channels. It has a genuine Dante Ultimo chipset, which means it's compatible with the Dante hardware you already know and love, but also that Dante software you're already familiar with. So first, power the adapter with either USB-C or PoE. Connect it to your network and notice we're using an AV line netgear switch. That is because they have a preset that will set the network traffic up for Dante audio. Now connect your line output and route your Dante streams. We have a lot of Dante equipment here at Turtle AV, so check us out at turtleav.com. You can like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on any new product we release and any new features.